Hey, what is up, guys? John from Magic Tech Review, and in today's video, we're taking a look at the Galaxy Note 9. So, just noticed this gem right here before I actually started my workday. So, just taking a look here at what it looks like and it feels like in the hand. So, the Galaxy Note 8 and Note 9 feel very, very similar. It actually looked like the Note 8 from afar, until you turn it around, and you can actually see the difference is in it. So, like I said, the Galaxy Note 8 was actually a little bit slightly bigger, not really noticeable. I'm just peeling off the plastic. Obviously, it's a demo unit right there. But yeah, as you can see, the pen is in the case right there. They're not really having that out for people to actually use. You can just press the button on it. So a little strange on that point, but either way, feels nice in the hand. It does, it does feel very premium. Obviously, it's a little bit hard to hold and get a feel of the whole phone and whatnot. But it's pretty cool that they actually have a live demo display at my store. I have a I have a few in the back, so I'll be selling a few of those as soon as we can sell them. And then also there's a trade-in device thing, so you can actually trade some devices in, like some of your older devices, to actually get credit for it. So they're pushing that really hard right now. Um, and we also have the other specials going on that other carriers have. So I will be letting you guys know, when if we have gift cards or events or anything like that coming up. So stay tuned for that on the channel. Yeah, so this is just our first, just really just my first look and impressions of the phone so far. Really nice looking phone, really innovative, really cool. I like the pen and all that. I like the pen features and functions with the Bluetooth functionality and all that other good stuff. The display looks excellent, of course, and other things like that. So can't wait to sell this device to a guest. And yeah, for watching. This has been John from Magic Tech Review. I'll see you guys in the next one. Go ahead and leave that like.